being here today is really important for us. This space and growing the space, it is a physical footprint, but what it really represents is just us doubling down on our investment on the idea that this is integral to how we build the next stage of talent for the organization, how we drive innovation for Synchrony, and how we prepare the workforce for what's coming next for us. And so we are as committed as ever to what we can build here with this group, and we appreciate the partnership along the way to support us.
Yeah, so I think Illinois brings a couple different reasons why we've been successful here. The first is that what we found is that Illinois invests in the program as much as we invest in the program. And so the partnership that all of you bring, both at Research Park and on campus, and understanding that partnership is key.
Synchrony Emerging Technology Center at the Research Park works on many different technology capabilities with that interdisciplinary mix of students. And they're making inroads in areas of artificial intelligence, data science, human-centered design, and others with societal impact.
When we see students who are doing well, you guys help us find more of those. When we see students that we can't find, that we're finding are underrepresented, you guys help us identify that and connect us in with the university. That's what makes it so different than some of the other places that we partner with.
We try to celebrate a lot of different events and not just make it all about the work, right? It's a community. I want them to feel part of this community, and so you can't just expect them to come in, do their job and check done and go back to school. So really creating that community, kind of having a sense of belonging for them to know that this is a place that they can come, they can talk to me, they can ask anything, and that's what I continue working on, right? It's not perfect, we're working on it constantly.